Alright, I decided to use the clip for PVC ceiling. This is it. As you can see the framing. So stay tuned and see how I'm going to use it. This is lamination stage. Don't forget, okay? It's just a reminder. That's why I bring it here. Laminate your picture before framing. Alright, so this is the construction. Stay tuned and learn. In case it's your first time, we only talk about picture framing. Any kind of picture framing, you will find it in this channel. You're at the right place. Okay, just create time to watch other videos for you to learn different ways you can frame your pictures. Okay, thank you.
I don't exist to impress the world. I exist to live my life in a way that will make me happy. I don't care about what people say or think about me. All I know is that one day I will shine and my enemies will be put to shame. Everyone has their own journey, and my path is unique to me. I choose to focus on what brings me joy and fulfillment rather than trying to please everyone around me. It's too easy to worry about what others think, but their opinions don't define who I am. I am strong and capable, and I will keep working towards my dreams. I want to be around positivity and people who lift me up. I won't let negativity bring me down. My past doesn't control my future. I can shape my destiny. As I grow and learn, I will become the person I am meant to be. In the end, it's not about what others see in me. It's about how I feel inside and the happiness I create for myself. This is my life, and I will live it fully.
I got 3 rules, okay? They're my 3 rules of winning. Rule 1, the world is a mess, okay? The world is a mess, Tony. You have to fight back. You have to have a tough skin. Attack, attack, attack. If somebody comes after you with a knife, you shoot him back with a bazooka, okay? Rule 2, what is truth, Tony? What is truth? You know what's truth? What you say is truth, what I say is truth, what he says is truth. What is the truth in life? Deny everything, admit nothing. You know what's true? What I say is true. And third of all, the most important, no matter how you are, you never, ever, ever admit defeat. You always claim victory. Always.
You know, that sounds like the U.S. foreign policy for the past quarter century.
Well, unlike that, this actually works. And I won a lot, Tony. I won a lot, and even when they said I didn't, I still turned it into a win, and that was the difference.
So, how'd you combine these set of rules?
Well, I have an instinct, Tony. I have a killer instinct. I always have. Listen, Tony, you have to have a natural ability. I'm a big believer in natural ability, and a lot of that is genetics. You have to be born with it, you know, and some people aren't, and some people are, and that's the difference. You have to have it.
Dear God, it's not easy, but I promise you, I won't give up. I have no idea what's happening in my life right now, but I still trust you. Even though I don't know where you're taking me, I do know you got me. Amen.